boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. So now we are going to work on some math. During math, we are going to work on sorting by size. So the same thing we've been working on, but just now we're going to be doing if it's smaller or bigger. And we're going to sort things by size. So we are going to need our My Math book. We are going to need a pencil and a purple and a yellow crayon. So first, we're going to need our pencil. We won't need our yellow and our purple crayon until the end. But we are going to need page 551, which looks like this. It's lesson 3, page 551, 552, 553, and 554. So the front of the pages that you're going to be ripping out will look like this, and then the back of the pages will look like this. So you guys need to pause it and get those, and then we'll work on them together. And once you guys have your papers, make sure you write your name at the top. And we are going to kind of do like a little lesson, and then we'll work on the worksheets together. So when we are sorting by size, we have to, let me see what I can put this on. Put it on the book. All right, so I have a couple bears. So you guys can see Mrs. Hanson has 5 bears. 2 red ones, 2 yellow ones, and 1 green one, right? But we are only going to sort them by size. So can you guys see the differences between my bears? I have 3 big bears and 2 little bears, right? So you can see that this bear is bigger than this bear. So I'm going to put a big bear over here, a big bear over here, and a big bear over here, and then I'm going to put my little bear over here. So I have mine all sorted in 2 groups. I have my big bears and my little bears. So I have 3 big bears and 2 little bears. But how many bears do I have in all? I have 5 bears in all, just they're different sizes. So that's what we are going to be doing. We're going to be sorting items by size in our worksheets. So we are going to start with this first page, 551, and it says sort by size. So the directions want us to have buttons, but we don't have buttons, so we're going to draw some buttons. So it says we're going to use 6 buttons of the same color. We don't even need to color them, we're just going to draw them with our pencil. Sounds good? So we're going to have 2 large buttons and 4 small buttons. Sort the buttons by size. So we have 6 buttons total, 4 small and 2 large. So I am going to draw 2 buttons. And then I'm going to draw 4 smaller buttons. So I have my big buttons and my large buttons, and then I have my small buttons. So these are my 2 groups. I sorted them. I have my small buttons over here. There's 4 of them. And then I have my 2 large buttons right here. So I sorted them over here. It would have been a lot easier if we actually had buttons to sort. If you guys have something that you want to sort and use besides buttons, you can do that. But Mrs. Hanson just drew her buttons. You can copy that if you want, or you can do your own thing. And I have my 2 large, 4 small. Okay, guys ready? So for next, we are going to turn it to the back. Mrs. Hanson's going to read you the directions. This is where you're going to just need your pencil and listen to what we are going to do. So we have 2 words, sort. Sort means to put into categories or into piles, and then size. So we're talking about large and small for our sizes. So you can see at the top for number 1, we have a whole bunch of different beach balls, right? They're different colors, different sizes. So the directions say, the beach balls were sorted by size. Trace the X's to show how the beach balls were sorted. So we are sorting them by size, so they X'd off all of the large balls. So trace the X's on top of our beach balls. So you can see we have 4 large beach balls. And then how many small beach balls were not X'd off? Yes, we have 3. So we have 4 large and 3 small. You don't need to do anything to the small ones. Just X off the large ones. Then the next one are sunglasses. We're going to sort them by size again. So for our sunglasses, X off the large sunglasses. So number 2, just X the large sunglasses. Down here, X off the large beach towels. So you're just Xing the ones that are large, leaving the small ones alone. You got it? All right. So then we're going to go to our next page. And we have some juice boxes. So for the top, number 4, X off your large juice boxes. Number 5, X off the large elephants. Number 6, X off the large palm trees. So we have all the large ones X'd off and nothing going on with the small ones. You got it? Okay. Then we're going to turn to the back where we got some sea creatures. This is where you guys are going to need your purple and your yellow crayons. So the directions are, look at the pairs of objects. So a pair is 2. So when you have a pair, that means there's 2. So you guys can see 2 dolphins, 2 seahorses, 2 fish, 2 seaweed, 2 octopus, and 2 shells. So those are all of our pairs they want us to look at. Describe their sizes. So when you're looking at them, tell whoever you're with which one's larger and which one is smaller. Sort the objects by size. Color the large objects purple and color the small objects yellow. Tell a friend how you could sort the animals by how many legs they have. Holy smokes. So some of them have legs and some of them don't. But you guys can just talk to whoever you're with about that. So we're going to color the larger of the pair, the bigger one, purple, and the smaller one, yellow. So each one, so one of these should be yellow, one of these should be purple, one of these should be yellow, one of these should be purple. Got it? So I can tell, you guys can tell which one's bigger and which one's smaller because we're sorting by size. So that's all we have to do for our math today by sorting by size. Mrs. Hanson's going to try to think of some fun activities we can do. Look at, there's Opie being nosy. Some fun activities that we can do with sorting sizes or shapes and stuff like that. So it makes it a little bit more fun that we can see. Opie just wants to be in videos. Maybe he'll be famous one day. Some cats get to be famous because they're so cute. I think Opie's cute enough. Don't you guys think? He's a good cat too. Maybe he'll be famous and make Mrs. Hanson lots of money. So I look forward to seeing what you guys finish with your math, and I'll try to think of some new activities we can do with sorting so we can make it more fun. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.